today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this individual locks on my hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Yella Obijaku, and we're back with another video. So guys, today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and also making my hair, and it's the hair I got from Janet's collection. It is their 2x Mambo natural bun locks, and I'm going to be installing these crochet locks today on my channel. In this video, if you're seeing my face for the first time and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, I would love you to click that cute red button that says subscribe to my channel while you're turning on the bell so you don't miss any new video whenever it goes live on my channel. I create video content around beauty, hair, lifestyle, as well as documenting my life as a new immigrant in Canada. So guys, let us get into today's video. So guys, the package pretty much came this way. It has my information around this, and yeah, so I'm just going to be opening this for you. I haven't opened this hair. I don't know if it happens to you guys, but I may buy something and I may not use it till I'm able to unbox it on camera. So I'm going to be opening this now. I actually didn't expect the package to be this big. Yeah, I actually did not expect it to be this big. Oh wow, no wonder. Oh my goodness guys, this is a lot of hair. So they actually sent me 1 2 3 4, this is 4 packs, 5 6 7 8, so 8 packs of their natural bun locks. I'm just going to be showing you how it looks like. This is pretty much how it looks like. This is in the shade, this is in the shade 1B. It says natural bun locks, natural kinky texture, in the shade 1, in the color 1B, and it's 18 inches. It also comes with a very cute pink comb and a very cute card here, and it says thank you for taking our time to review our products. We hope that this product will make you feel and look more beautiful. Slay sis. Yeah, I'm gonna be slay this hair today for you guys. And each pack contains 20, so each pack contains 21 natural bun locks. Yes, each pack contains 21 strands of natural bun locks. So I'm going to be trying a new method today. You guys are already familiar with the way I do my locks, but I'm going to try to do a new method for you guys today. So I'm just going to go over and prep my hair, and I'm going to come back to you guys. This is the pattern at which I did my hair. You're going to take both the hair and okay. Okay, so it's remaining this one. I'm still going to take it just in the center and wrap that, and there you have it. So I'm going to be showing you guys again. Find the loop. You put it on the latch hook and you close it and you pull. You take both your hair and the box and you pull. Okay, it's tight now. Guys, can you see? So you can just go back to twist it so it is neat. Okay, so guys, I'm done with the individual 4 locks, so I'm going to go ahead and do the back. I just have 5 strands to do at the back. When I'm done with the back, I'm going to be crocheting the rest of the hair. When I'm done, I'm going to show you guys how this hair turned out to be. So guys, I actually love the texture of this locks. Again, this hair is so soft and it was easy for me to unravel and wrap it around my natural hair, you know, to cover it up. I had little or no stress, and this was the first time I am actually trying this, and I decided to try this on camera for you guys to see. If anybody is going to be trying this style, please do let me know. It is something that you can easily do, even if everybody feels like doing the crochet method is easier than doing this single 4 locks. But trust me, I had fun while I was doing it. At one point I had to tell myself, maybe if I know, I don't even do all my hair individuals. But this is something I think I'm going to be trying again in the nearest future, and maybe I'll go above having just 2 rows. You know, I'll probably just do that up until like the middle of my hair, if I can be able to do this. I'm going to leave a link in my description box below where you can purchase this hair. Janet Collection is an American brand. They not only stock crochet hair, they also stock braiding hair, they also stock wigs as well, hair extensions as well as wigs, and crochet hair, different kind of crochet hair, both the natural bone locks, mambo twists. They also stock both human hair as well as synthetic hair, lace, with lace and without lace, wigs, unprocessed natural hair wigs, as well as 100% human hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I see you all in my next video. Do have yourself a fabulous day ahead. Bye guys.